Hi, my name is Mark Valentino. I work as a product marketing manager here at PCB for the acoustics division. Today we're going to talk about our 377 B26, which is a probe microphone. What is a probe microphone? Basically what we do is we take a microphone and a preamplifier, we put it in a housing and apply a probe tip to it. There are two reasons why someone would look at a probe microphone for their application. The first reason is the small size of the stainless steel tip. What this does is allow you to go into areas where normal microphones would not fit to take sound measurements. The second reason why a probe microphone is helpful is the fact that it goes up to 800 C temperature rating, making it good for exhaust testing and engine testing on aircraft and also automobiles, because typical microphones have a limitation of 80 C on a preamplifier and 120 C on a microphone. By extending a probe tip to it, now what we can do is move the microphone away from the heat source and go to much higher temperatures, up to 800 C. You do that by applying a probe tip and what's called a heat sink. So the heat sink helps the heat stay away from the microphone housing where the critical components remain. The added advantage of the heat sink is it also aids you as a removal tool. It's used by the notch right here to take apart the probe tip, tighten it up or loosen it up to apply new probe tips. What comes with the microphone kit is 4 different probe tips. You've got a 20 millimeter, a 40 millimeter, an 80 millimeter, and a 160 millimeter steel probe tip. Also included in the tip is a flexible tubing tip. This probe tip attaches the same exact way as the stainless steel tips do. It's a little wider in diameter. The advantage of the flexible tubing tip is you can go into not straight or flat areas, you can go into curved surfaces and still measure sound accurately. Besides the 4 stainless steel tips and the flexible tubing tip, the 5 total tips, we also give you an additional stainless steel tip and additional flexible tubing, so you can customize to your own size and length to suit your applications. Included in the kit is calibration adapters, so you can do single point checks in the field. There's 2 different adapters with different holes, one for the stainless steel probe tip, one for the flexible probe tip. This allows you to do a single point test of your sensitivity and the effects of the environmental conditions. So to wrap up, the 377-826 probe microphone is excellent for applications where space is limited and you can't fit a normal microphone, or for applications where you're going to high temperatures up to 800 C. For more information, please visit our website at www.pcb.com/probe mic test.